Hello again, traders. This is Jeff. It is Friday, April 6th, 2023, and I'm going to do my weekly trade review. So let's start out with coin. You're looking at a daily chart of coin. Let's quickly draw a horizontal line. I took the opportunity this week to put on a cash secured put in coin. And we'll just put a little line in on the chart here. There we go. So I've got a red horizontal line here at 57. And if you'd like to know how to do that, take a look at the video up by my green cursor. So I like the area of support down here. We're a little bit under the 200 moving average, which is the other red line, but we've got some good support down here. So on the 3rd, on Tuesday, I sold a $57 cash secured put that expires today for $64. That is looking to expire worthless. I also took another trade in coin this week on the 5th, which would have been yesterday, Thursday, this candle. I sold another cash secured put, a 53 strike, and that will expire on Friday the 14th. For that I received $1.19. I got $64 for the one that I sold earlier in the week on the 57 strike. So I think we could almost move this line now to 53 since the trading week is almost over with. Just make that 53. Oh, we changed the color too. It looks too much like my 200 moving average. So there we go, 53. And if you enjoy this content, maybe subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. So next is CTRA Energy, CTRA, and I've been in this trade for a while, and I've been underwater pretty much because I got long at $25. I have sold some puts in the 23, 22.50 area, which expired. I also picked up a dividend last week, but on Tuesday or Monday, we gapped up and we ran to 25.60 and then we fell back. Call for 20 cents. I was unable to do so. I couldn't get filled. I think it was 15 by 20 cents. We're going to close here. That's the end of the week. So Tuesday we were down, then we popped up again Wednesday, and I did sell a 25.50 call. I got a dime. I thought, let's take a little bit of a shekel here. We'll knock down my average cost just a little bit. Take a look at my spreadsheet real quick here. So this is CTRA. I have currently sold or collected in dividends nearly $260. I've got shares at $25. So this trade's looking pretty good, and next week hopefully we could rise above this little level of resistance here around 25.5, and I'll be looking to sell. Let's get rid of some strikes here. I'll be looking to sell $25.50, $26 calls. Next up is the ETF, the SOXL. Last Friday, I was able to buy back $18 strike calls and sell $18.50 strike calls. On the 4th, on Tuesday, I bought those calls back for 5 cents, and I was hoping that we would get another pop and I could sell those calls again or go out to next week. Well, we had a red day on Wednesday, and maybe we've had a little bit of a bottom here today. But I tell you, one thing I did do, and that would have been yesterday on the 5th, is I took advantage of this little channel here. But this is my price here at $15.39, or I'm sorry, $18.39. So this little channel here, I actually sold a $14 put with April 14th expiration. I brought in a little bit of premium. I'm thinking if I could get a little bit longer this position, I could knock down my cost just a little bit. So I've been in this one a while. My average cost is $18.39. My break even is $14.89. Now, if I were to get assigned Friday or before on that $14 put, let's see what that does to my average cost. That would bring me under $18. And at that point, I'd be able to sell $18 strike calls, and I wouldn't lose money on the shares if called away. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully going into next week, the SOX can pop and I can sell calls again. I was looking today and at next week's premium. Change this. Bring in some more strikes. There just wasn't much here. The high of the day was 12 cents for 18.50, and I really didn't want to go below my cost again, although I could. Looking out a couple of weeks, there wasn't a lot up here either. The high of the day was 28 cents. And anyway, what I'm hoping next week is the product will pop. If we could get up into that 16.50, 17.50 range, which I don't think it would be too much of a struggle for it to do. Right now, it kind of breached the 50 and the 20. I do think there's good support down here, so we'll see what happens. If it pops, I will be selling more premium. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Hope everybody has a good long weekend. Take a look at the videos shown above. Maybe subscribe to the channel. Until next time, this is Jeff.